Russia, which has not achieved any significant territorial gains since the beginning of the war. While he failed to achieve the success he expected, both with the resistance in Ukraine and with the sanctions of the West, he began to change goals. After the peace talks took place in Istanbul 2 weeks ago, where the delegations of Russia and Ukraine met, the Moscow administration. As Kiev began to withdraw from its vicinity, it also reduced attacks at these points. But it turned out that Russia, having left Kiev and reducing attacks at many points, was moving towards the east of Ukraine in convoys. Maxar, an imaging company, shared with the British news agency Reuters. Satellite images showed that the convoy, which was miles long, was heading to the east of Ukraine. A long convoy of Ukrainian military vehicles, including armored vehicles, missile launchers, and military vehicles decommissioned in Veliki was seen passing through the town of Berlik. Vehicles passing through the town, which is close to Kharkiv, which is close to the Russian border with Ukraine, are expected to proceed to the Donbas region. At the beginning of the war, a Russian military convoy of about 64 kilometers belonging to the Russian army surrounded Kiev. But he had not succeeded in getting into the city.